Now today we'll see a question of quantitative aptitude of UPSC. The very simple question, but it has got some misleading data. So if you see it very carefully, then it's actually a cakewalk. Now question is shown. There are two statements given. Statement 1, each of A and D is heavier than each of B, E and F, but none of them is heaviest. This is statement 1. The statement 2 is A is heavier than D, but is lighter than C. This is second statement. So in statement 1 they have covered 5 characters, and in statement 2 they have covered 3 characters. Now question is, who is heaviest amongst A, B, C, D and E? So this is the question, and the answer options are there, that which of the above statement is sufficient to find out who is the heaviest person out of 6. So option A is the answer. Now here I would like to clarify that in the statement there are actually characters given up to 6, but in the question they are asking only up to 5. So F is actually misleading data or superfluous data, but you cannot ignore F. But while answering we have to consider only 5 characters. So this is a bit of confusion they have tried to create. Otherwise it's a very simple question. So mentally if you see that out of 6, if data for 5 is given in statement 1, that means statement 1 should be sufficient to answer the question, and statement 2 can be straightaway rejected, because out of 6 if it is giving only 3 pupil, data of only 3 pupil, then obviously for 3 unknowns you cannot work it out. So this is my logic, but we'll see the answer now. Now statement 1 will examine. I have drawn the line here indicating all the characters A, B, C, D, E and F. Now statement 1, A and D is heavier than each of B, E and F. So here I represented A and D is greater than B, E, F. Now, but none of them is heaviest. But out here C is actually missing. So that means if A, B, A, D, B, E, F, none of them is heaviest, then obviously C has to be heaviest. So this is the answer. Now we'll see statement 2. Now what statement 2 is saying? A is heavier than D, but is lighter than C. So A is heavier than D, but A is lesser than C. But with this we cannot work out that who is heaviest, because no data is given about the other pupil, and we cannot work out solution in conjunction, that we consider 2 statements together. We are considering only one statement at a time, and we have to find out sufficiency of one statement only to find out the answer. So we can see that we cannot find out correct answer with statement 2, but statement 1 is sufficient to give the answer. So our answer is option A, statement 1 alone. So this is the answer. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.